Another day tomorrow where we've got minimal rain and storm chances,
Okay.
and most of the time's going to be rather quiet, but there could be a stray severe storm tomorrow ahead of our main chance of some stronger storms as we get into Friday and early Saturday. What's happening now is mostly clear to partly cloudy skies before the low clouds roll back in overnight. As moisture from the Gulf starts to return in a big way. We, of course, had a gray morning with a few showers and then some afternoon sun. Well, then the clouds will start to come back here tonight. Of course, we're thinking about our friends well off to the northeast of us. A significant flash flooding and tornado and severe weather outbreak is still ongoing now. All of these red boxes indicating tornado warnings. And this stormy setup is thanks in large part to this upper level low spinning out west. This low is going to strengthen and slowly shift eastward over the next day or two, getting closer to central Texas, eventually bringing a cold front our way, and that will help to provide more of a focal point for some showers and storms and more widespread rain, which we desperately need, even though we could do without the severe weather, of course. I just want to draw your attention to 4 o'clock tomorrow morning in the hill country. Our computer models have been a little more consistent about the potential for a stray severe storm that may clip Mason, Llano, San Saba, Lampasas, maybe even Burnett County, although this particular model keeps it a little farther north of some of the counties I just mentioned. It's certainly within the realm of possibility, though, that we could get an early morning severe thunderstorm to clip parts of the hill country here tomorrow morning. Don't forget to join KXAN News Today. Meteorologist Kristen Curry will track anything that develops tomorrow morning. Aside from that, a few spotty showers tomorrow morning and midday, kind of like today, very light stuff, and then we brighten up with some sunshine tomorrow afternoon. There's once again going to be a very low chance for a storm to bubble up in the afternoon heat, even though the computer models are suggesting a mostly dry second half of the day. A much wetter pattern sets up for Friday morning, more widespread but still mostly light showers aside from a stray storm, and those showers wrapping up around midday. Afternoon sun puts us well into the 80s. However, Friday, our storm chances start to rise late afternoon. Anything that develops could very easily turn severe. Same is true for Friday evening. Severe storm or two possible ahead of a line of downpours and storms that arrives in the hill country early Saturday morning and then spreads through the area, bringing severe weather threats as well as some heavy rain. This rain continues into at least the middle of the morning before tapering off toward the end of the morning with a generally drier second half of the day on the way for your Saturday. So rain chances at 20% tomorrow, highest in the morning, but we'll have to watch the afternoon closely too, just in case a stray storm pops up. 89 your high here tomorrow. Highest severe weather risk is to the north. It's a 1 out of 5. In our northern counties, large hail and damaging wind the primary concern. But you see those higher rain chances Friday and especially Friday night into early Saturday before the rain chances drop. That's when we're more likely to have more of us dealing with severe weather. Most of the area, a 2 out of 5 severe weather risk Friday into Saturday. Large hail damaging wind the primary concern, but we could get an isolated tornado and some localized flash flooding. Even though most of these amounts we could easily absorb, there could be too much all at once. Then a cold front comes in, knocks us into the 60s on Sunday, also takes away our humidity as well. It's going to be much drier next week and cooler too, especially Sunday into Monday morning. We drop into the 40s before we're back in the 70s and 80s again.